Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you through how to make TikTok account private. How to make TikTok account private. Follow the step. If you're new to the channel, can you subscribe to my channel? Follow the step so that you not miss any tips or any information. Comment and share. Our motive is to make TikTok private. If you want to make your account private, let's start. Here, you launch your app like this. So you click on the app. And the moment you click on the app, you see profile down bottom there, where the human head is. You click on it. And you click here, it will bring you here. Here, you see there's three lines on top. Right hand side corner, 3 lines top. You click there. The moment you click there, you see settings and privacy. You click. Remember, our motive is to make TikTok private. So here, it will bring you here. You then move to privacy. You click on privacy. It will bring you here. You see top there, account private. And you highlight this, the first one. You highlight it. Yes. So let's see whether it has been private or not. So you go back. You see where the profile picture is, top there. You see account private. Where the profile picture is, top there, account private. It means our account has been private. Our account has been turned to private. So when you want to turn it from private to public, you follow the same step. You go to your profile, you click on the 3 line dot here. You go to settings and privacy. You click on privacy and you off this one and switch it off. The moment you off, it means your account has been turned to private. So let's go and check again. You see now where the profile picture is, the top there's no private account there. It means that's it, from private to public. First, you switch it from public to private, and when you want to switch it from the private to public, you follow the same step and do. So this is how to switch your account to private. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.